Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys how the alarm works. We just got done installing it. Got the unlock, we got the lock. We also did the front windshield tint on it with 32%. We got a little sticker there and our Viper remote, LED light. But check out this old school window tint on there with the flames. That's pretty sick. We also did the 4% on the rears. Blacked them completely out. You could only get that 4% here at these. So right now we got the arm position on the alarm. It's armed. Let's say somebody was to can't even open it like this. There we go. The alarm's gonna go off. So it's going off. Let's say somebody tries to start it. It won't start, guys. It won't start whatsoever because of the built-in kill switch. So the only way it'll start up if you hit that unlock button and disable the kill switch, then you can start it back up. Pretty cool, huh? We got a little LED light there. It's all done, set, ready to go. So who's next? Who's trying to get something done? Make sure you guys book those appointments. Only at these, baby. Let's get back to the shop. Beautiful day out here. It's Friday. We got the shop full of work. We also got that Ford Raptor in here. Coming in for some window tint. We're also working on doing some wrap here. We got all these handles wrapped. All these pieces for the Impala. Getting them ready. Let's go.